What's up, guys? Welcome back into the YouTube channel. I actually haven't made one in a while. I got a video processing that you'll see why, but today we are working not on any truck but our big Alice Chalmers 7010. We're going to be changing the exhaust setup on it. The stack that is on it, it's not actually ours, it was my cousin's. He let us borrow it. Well, they bought another tractor and his son was actually wanting it back. So we're gonna take it off, and I got Jimmy up here. We're gonna be building our own. We're actually gonna be going from a 3 to a 5 to a 3 to a 7. So I'm gonna kind of climb up on the tractor and show you exactly what I'm talking about. But I got a 3 to a 7 reducer, and then also have some just normal piping that if we need it, we can use it. But yeah, that's what we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna go up and climb up on the tire here and kind of give you guys a view of what we're gonna be working with. There's kind of an oval shape up on the actual hood of the tractor, which you'll see in a minute. But I'm gonna go ahead and climb up there and I'll show you guys. All right, guys, we are up on the tractor. Don't mind all the bird poop. But like I said, this is more of an oval shape. So this being a 3 to a 5 inch, you have a lot of empty space. I went to a 7 inch to kind of fill this and make it look more proportionate, because you have probably 2 inches on this side and probably an inch to an inch and a half on the left side. And then as you go down, we have a clamp on the inside, which the side panel does come off, so we'll get it taken off. It's pretty much straight access to the inside here, right up on the top there, if you guys can see it. But that's where we're gonna be working. So it comes straight off the turbo, turns up, and then that's where we're gonna be working. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this side panel off, and then we'll get busy. All right, guys, so we went ahead and got the side panel pulled off. Jimmy grabbed a 9/16, got the clamp off. So the stack should be able to come straight off now. And then, like I said, I do have a couple more like straight exhaust pieces that if we can't reuse this one, we can toss a new one on. I'll probably have to do a little bit of welding on the exhaust to the 7 to 4 adapter. So we'll get that taken care of, or 7 to 3 adapter, whatever it is, we'll get that taken care of. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this thing wiggled off here, and then we'll hold the new one up there and compare them. So let's go ahead and get this thing off. Okay, guys, so obviously we have the before and what we're going to. We decided to go with a 7 inch angled. Like I said, one reason being that the oval, and number two being that if the tractor was parked outside and it rained, you needed a bucket to cover the stack. So in this instance, we won't. Here's our new 3-inch pipe. Come this way, Jimmy. So what's gonna happen is we'll slide this up on here like such. Our clamp will go down here and still hold it. And then we already got it marked. We're gonna trim this piece down. We're gonna butt weld our 3 to our 4 inch like this. Obviously it'll be down here though. And then we're gonna tack this onto the actual stack for the meantime. I don't have any clamps. I got a couple, I think 5-inch clamps over there for like actual diesel exhaust, not tractor style exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and just tack this, get it to hold, get it to where we need, and then later on we can throw a clamp on it. So let's go ahead and get this piece cut, and then we're gonna get to welding. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got everything welded up. Not sure how much we actually captured of that, but what we did is I took that long piece, we trimmed it down like I said, and then we butt welded. Don't look too close at the welds. I'm not proud of them. Definitely having a welder with the gas makes it a little bit easier. But we got the stack welded on, perfect. I mean, I couldn't ask for much better. So now we're gonna throw the clamp on it, I guess we'll throw the side back on it and fire it up and see what this thing sounds like compared to the 5-inch. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, throw the clamp on and get everything buttoned up real quick, and we'll get it fired up. Well guys, I just took it down the road to make sure everything was good and tight. I drove it probably about a half mile up and back and stuff. Everything seems tight. Like I said, I am going to throw a clamp where the actual stack comes down and grabs a hold of our 3-inch pipe. I'm going to throw a clamp there just to make sure, but everything else seemed good and tight. I went up and got Dad's reaction. He was all smiles and stuff. But you know the saying, go big or go home? Well, we definitely went big and we're not going home. So I wasn't sure on how it was going to sound. When you kind of step back and you're actually back this direction a little bit, you can kind of hear like a tick, but that's, I mean, normal stuff, because basically where that 5-inch stack had a, I'll call it a resonator pipe, they took a 3-inch piece and drilled a bunch of holes in it to eliminate the noise vibrations. That's exactly what this one's doing. So we're going from a 3-inch straight to the 7. So basically the noise is just bouncing off of the stack and then you're getting the noise out. So it kind of creates a little bit of a ping noise, but it also kind of sounds like a cam in a way, like a pulling tractor cam if you want to call it. But no, for what, 45 minutes, an hour worth of work, it turned out great. So this is just a 4 to 7-inch stack I bought off of eBay, I believe it was, for like 85, 90 bucks. And then the 2 pieces of metal, the one I already had, I think it was like 20 bucks back in the day. And then the adapter from the 4 to the 3 was maybe 15 bucks. So all said and done, we're right at like 100, 110 bucks, give or take. So for that, I'll take it. It's gonna help with rain not getting on the inside, and it looks really cool. I'll grab the camera and climb on the inside and kind of give you guys a POV. But thanks for watching, guys. Remember, learning as I do, doing I love. I'm the GM Man. I'll catch you guys in the next one.